everyone, welcome. My group will be attempting to scrap this laptop and reassemble it. Firstly, let's remove the battery and the screws from the panels.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone.
Okay, now that we have removed the screws, it is time to remove the panels themselves. After we remove this bottom panel, we have to unscrew the chassis to remove the rest of the panel.
I built a home for you, for me, until you disappeared from me, from you.
Now that we have unscrewed all the screws, it's time to remove the panel.
There is a tree as old as me.
We were struggling with the back panel, so we proceeded to remove the replaceable keyboard. It was at this point that we realized that there were additional screws to remove so that we can finally remove the back panel.
By the cracks of his skin, I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the guys came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on to me, held on as tightly as you held on to me.
At this point, we were confused but confident that we can get this done, so we removed this plastic piece. We then went back to attacking the back panel once more. After trials and tribulations, we finally removed it. We then removed the RAM, random access memory, and the Wi-Fi chip. In our next step in going forward, we removed the motherboard. After the motherboard, we move on to removing the screen from the chassis. Because we were doing a complete scrap down, we had to disassemble the screen also.
Gayumang taglay ng awit, abot kamay ang langit. Abot kamay ang langit, haplos na dala ng tinig. Abot kamay ang langit. Nais kong abutin kislap ng mga bituin, samyo ng umaga sa hardin. Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malapitan, mamasdan at mahawakan? Taglay mo, kagandahan, abot kamay ang langit. Gayumang taglay ng awit, abot kamay ang langit. Abot kamay ang langit, haplos na dala ng tinig. Abot kamay ang langit.
And just like that, we finished scrapping the laptop. Here are the pictures with the parts on the table. Unfortunately, I myself, Kieran, couldn't have been in the picture because I was the one holding the camera. It was now time to reassemble. We started with putting together the screen first. Nasim was working on the screen and Zahi was working on the motherboard. It was now time to make the appropriate connections. Our next move was to install the keyboard.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path.
After that, we proceeded to install the screen to the chassis.
I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars.
After installation of the screen, we made sure that the wires were connected to their respectful place. We then installed the CD or DVD slots.
Full of stars. I wanna die.
It was now time to put on the back panel, but first we made sure that everything was connected correctly.
Get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see you.
And finally, the lower panel. It was now time to finish the front assembly. And this was the end of our lab. Thanks for watching.